How to add pages in Canva. Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys how you can add blank pages in Canva. But before we do that, make sure to like the video down below and subscribe to the channel. First thing you're going to have to do is open up your web browser and then simply search for canva.com and hit enter. Once you do that, you'll be taken directly to your Canva's official website. Now, all you need to do here is make sure to log into your account. Once you are logged in, you're going to have to create a blank document. So let me just create a blank document right here. So I'm just going to create this one. All right, so once you've done that, a blank page will appear on your screen. Now, what you need to do is you can click the plus icon to add page, or if you are on another design, so let's say if you're creating a YouTube thumbnail for now, here what you can do is import your picture first. So let's say if I just go ahead and import any of this picture right here like this. If you want to add a new page, all you have to do is click on this plus icon that says add page, and it will create another page for you. And once you've added a new page, you can add another elements or pictures here to create and work on a different project or different picture. So you can move around the picture, and if you want to delete this page, you can just right click on it and then click on this delete page option to delete it. You can add as many pages as you want, and you can zoom in, zoom out from here. That's it for this video, guys. I hope this was helpful. I'll see you next time.